Hello, guys. Today, I am going to introduce two ways of converting MKV to MP4 in this YouTube video. Now I am going to talk about how to convert MKV to MP4 with VLC Media Player in the first place. First, open VLC Media Player and click on File here in the top left-hand corner, looking for the option right here that says Convert and Stream. Then it will open up a new window that says Open Media at the center. We need to go ahead and add our video file in this file selection area. Next, we can click the Open button here. Click the Profile button with a drop down. You can select from a bunch of different types of files. Then we need to select the destination file. So we're going to click on Browse right here at the bottom, and once we do that we can search our computer where we would like our file to go. I choose my desktop as the destination. And please remember, make up a new name for it. Created the destination. It should be complete. Let's go ahead and shut down VLC here. And you can see there is the newly converted video on my desktop. That is all about how to convert MKV to MP4 with VLC Media Player. Then I will show you how to make the conversion in the other way. First, we can open the software which has been installed in the computer with double clicks. There is an Add Files button in the upside of the page. Then, you can click the button so as to choose the MKV-based files which you want to convert to MP4. There is Profile on the downside of the software page. Click the arrowhead of Profile, and you can see different media formats. Click General Video and choose the right standard that is suitable to your conversion. With all these done, you can click the orange button Converted. Then, you can see the converting process. When the process is finished, you can click the Completed button, which is also orange in the page. In this case, a MKV file has been converted to MP4. It is clear that the software can facilitate the conversion of MKV to MP4 more conveniently and faster without any loss of the quality of the file. Please click the purchasing link of Video Converter for Mac following the video if you need. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe and bye.